fake it, fake it.
Yeah, update on going to go check out my car. Wasn't a good idea to get out in this. This is a street. This is a sidewalk. That's a park. Send help. You can see those cars underwater over there. This is pretty fucking bad. So this is New York City, Williamsburg, Brooklyn. I guess the tropical storm is dumping all this water. Yeah, this was... Oh my god. This looks like Houston, not New York City. I grew up in Houston, it floods like this. Okay guys, good luck.
Remnants of Ida have arrived to New York City.